this kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 51 of building Marvel's Infinity Gauntlet. In this issue, we're continuing part 3 of the middle finger. Probably about halfway through the finger after this, I thought. So 8 or 10 issues for a finger is about right. Beyond Infinity, you've got to go beyond Infinity. Toy Story taught us this. More Infinity Gauntlet stuff, but beyond the Gauntlet. No idea what all that's going on, but vaguely recognise some of the characters from the films. Not been a big reader of the comics still now. So there we go. Yes, the middle finger part 3. We've got another bracket to fit. Just building up on the fingertip as we've got from last time. Putting that together and holding that plate in place. Been good. And that's how far it's going to be so far. So perhaps a third of the way through. So 3, 9, 10. Yeah, it's about right. Looking at Captain Universe. The Silver Surfer. They obviously get them confused between the two of them. There we go. Captain Universe is something to do with that. Looks pretty cool though. Jerome Opena. I don't know how to pronounce that, but obviously, apparently the creator of Worlds. I don't know if any of these are artists or writers or anything else to do with it, but I'm sure somebody out there will. So that's that. Let's clear this out of the way and let's get this built. So today's parts and the last couple of issues of the fingertip, we are starting off by putting the washer over the tube, because this piece is in fact articulated. This is going in there and not being held together yet, because the other side needs to go on there first. I think there's another washer that's going to go over there before we hold it all together, but not quite yet. This is the articulation of the fingertip. So that we then need to fit this outer shell too. It'll only go one way round because of the shaping they've cleverly made fit. This is the single trapezoid type shape, which goes on that side like that, and then that will fit and bend over that when you want to flex the finger. And that we do in fact hold in place with a little bracket on there, which is sort of keyed in. It will only fit on the one way round, and that will hold that in place until we get the other side in place. Well, even after then, with a single screw. Again, I've not opened the pack of screws from this one. This is the last of the, actually from the first screw pack. So, yeah, always keep your spares, and it's probably best to use them one at a time rather than opening all the packets. This way I've just got a couple of sealed packets that I haven't even used. I shall keep them aside though, put them in the box so they're there if I need them at some point in the future. But for now, that is going in there. And that is going to be the end of this month's build. The end of this delivery. That's the 5 packs that came in this box. If you like what you see, then you may consider becoming a channel member and helping out the channel. Or patron, the links for which are below this and any of my videos on the channel. I'm going to switch out to a bigger screwdriver for that, because that's a little bit tight going in there. But yeah, there'll be more part works coming up every day, and more of this gauntlet in about a month. If you want to know when it turns up, like and subscribe. That's in there. It's tight. It will go tighter though. So yeah, like and subscribe, click the notification bell, and you'll find out when new issues turn up, when new videos are released. Until then, that's it. Issue done, and all going together quite nicely. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do leave a comment, let me know, and I shall see you for more of this in about a month, but more part works tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.